Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your content with Grammarly beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Grammarly's website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. To start verifying your content, locate the New Document button and click it. A blank document will open for you to input your text. You can either type directly into the document or copy and paste your content from another source. As you input your text, Grammarly's editor will automatically highlight any issues. Hover over the highlighted text to see the suggestions provided by Grammarly. You can choose to accept a suggestion by clicking on it. If you do not agree with a suggestion, you can dismiss it by clicking the X icon. To see additional explanations for any errors, click on the suggested text. On the right side of the screen, you will find a detailed sidebar with writing insights. This sidebar will also include overall score metrics for your document. Review the insights provided and adjust your content as necessary. Once you are satisfied with the changes, you can download your document. Click on the Download button at the top of the screen. Select your preferred format, such as PDF or Word document. Save the file to your desired location on your device. Your content is now verified and polished with the help of Grammarly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.